We are showing you this house and lot for sale located here inside a secured subdivision in Angeles City, Pampanga. This is near Clark and Friendship. Let's check it out. Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. This property has a lot area of 156 square meters, floor area of 225 square meters, 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, living, dining and kitchen, CCTVs, furnished with 1 carport. Priced at 18.8 million pesos. Contact us for viewing. So first, let's talk about the location because this location, this particular village is near Lala Garden, Friendship Road, going to Clark, very near hospitals, schools, and other establishments. Malapit dito. And as you can see guys, the facade of the house, it's very contemporary yet modern. We have this wood design elements over here, steel gates over here. And by the way guys, this house is a pre-owned house. So you will see signs of usage, but it's very, very good for its price. And everything is included. Also, I'd like to mention that this house has a solar power, which makes it zero electric bill. Let's go in. So once again, this is your one vehicle carport. Tiled yung ating flooring. Pedestrian gate. We have this wood design over here. And if you're looking to buy, sell, or lease a property, contact Live Realty. Let's go in. So let's go through the pedestrian gate. Here. Upon entry, we step up. And we have this generous amount of space in front of your house, which can be a seating area or an overflow if you have gatherings. We have this provision for your greenery. Actually, may plants na siya. Konting refresh na lang yan. Very, very nice. Your AC condenser is over here. Then, this side of the house, ito yung ating one vehicle carport. Very spacious. Kahit one vehicle siya. Even large SUVs or vans can fit here. And also, your gate is automated. So it's very convenient, especially pag rainy, di ba? Ang ganda niyan. Thus, this is the way going to the back of the house. So let's go through the front door. You have a screen door right here. Open, and we have this wooden door with electronic lock. Come in. So upon entry, guys, you will be greeted by this spacious, open living space. Ang ganda. This is your living area. You have these 2 nice couches over here. Like I said before, everything is included. You have your racks, your television. Yung ating mga blinds are also included. And it's high ceiling. It's more than the standard height ng mga ceiling. Going over here, you have this nice and very neat setup ng kitchen. You have this marble countertop na may mga speckles dyan. You have the sink right here. 2-door refrigerator over here. You have cupboards up here, plus your 4-burner gas range with range hood and your oven below that. Even sa baba, marami tayong storage dito, pull-outs, and it's soft close. Nice. Right here is your dining table, dining area. Right now, we have this square 8-seater dining table. Very nice. And behind this is your floor-mounted air conditioning that you can leave open 24/7 because we have a zero bill in this household. Okay? Then, let me just show you the powder room right here. So this is guest accessible. You have a sink and your toilet right here. Ang ganda rin ng choice ng tiling niya, oh. Dark, ano siya, parang gray-green ang dating niya. Okay? Pero din tayong exhaust dyan for ventilation. Nice. So on the ground floor, we have this door, which is a bedroom with ensuite toilet and bath. Come in. ample amount of space. We have this big bed right here. Air conditioning is installed. We have a window that is overlooking the front of your house. We have this console over here if you want to put television. You have a built-in cabinet right here that has open shelves. Meron tayong racks dito and drawers underneath. Plus, like I said, meron tayong ensuite toilet and bath that has your sink, toilet, and enclosed shower that has a rainfall shower head and a water heater. Hindi tayo nagtitipid dito sa house kasi nga zero bill siya. Okay? Ganda. One more look sa ating living area para makita nyo yung ating layout. Your kitchen and your dining right here. Now, these sliding doors leads to the daily kitchen. Come here. We have this countertop over here with a sink and storage up here. Medyo narrow lang siya but workable siya. Come here, go straight, and you will find the laundry room that doubles as your staff room. Very spacious, may sariling window na may screen, plus they have their own suite, toilet and bath right here. So very convenient for your staff. Ayan. Okay? Tapos yung tank natin nandito. So, yung water pressure, maganda rin sa house na to. Tapos behind the camera, this is, follow me, this is the way going to the side of the house to your carport. Very nice layout. Ako na dog lover, I imagine this area to be your dog daycare dito. Diba? Pag may ginagawa ka sa loob, the dogs are safe doon. Tapos guys, maaliwalas yung house. Kahit na ano, ang gusto ko naman sa mga pre-owned houses, meron na siyang warmth kasi nga natirahan na siya. So parang may warmth na siya na feel. Hindi siya, warmth. Kabilagtaran niya, hindi cold yung feeling. Quick break mga ka-house tour. I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for watching, liking, and sharing our videos. We recently hit 3,000 subscribers here on YouTube, 43,000 on TikTok, and 11,000 on Facebook. And if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. It helps us find the next homeowner from Live Realty. And also, I'd like to thank ModuPro for sponsoring this video. If you need quality and reasonably priced modulars like this one, contact ModuPro. Thanks! So now going up, we have this wooden design, tiled na steps going up, wooden handrails, and upon mid-landing, guys, meron tayong malaking window dito that lets in so much natural light dito sa area natin. Now, more steps right here. We have a hallway. Let's save the best for last, later. First, we go through this bedroom. Bedroom number 1, sa second floor. We have this enormous amount of space. Big bed, built-ins right there. We have a console over here for your television. And also, air conditioning is installed. And you have this big window na sobrang ganda ng view kasi green pa siya as of the moment. Napakaganda. Okay? Plus, this room has an ensuite toilet and bath. Right here, we have your sink, your medicine cabinet, your toilet, and your enclosed shower with, you guessed it, heater and rainfall shower head. Really nice. Now, this door right here is another bedroom. So, ang ganda rin ng space niya. Your bed will go right here. You have outlets on both sides. Built-in cabinets. Nandiyan na siya. Plus, your console over here. And a big window also. with the same view as the other one. Okay? Etong room na to, wala siyang ensuite because we have this toilet and bath right here. Sink, toilet, and enclosed shower with heater kasi it is shared by the first door, which is the family room. Kaya maganda rin to kasi it can also be converted if you need another bedroom. Pwede rin to kasi parang bedroom setup siya. Though, I picture this as a family area. May TV kayo dyan. You have your seating over here. And we have this balcony space over here that is in front of your house. Okay, so if you need it for family room, pwede siya. If a bedroom, pwede rin siya. Okay? Very flexible. Okay? Now, let's go to the master. The master is here. You have a big bed. Makita nyo na may scale yan, guys. So this is a king size. Big windows. Right here. We have a console. Air conditioning installed. Cove lighting. Plus, you have your walk-in dito sa area na to. So we have open shelves, racks, and drawers underneath. Napakaganda kasi parang U-shaped siya. Then you have your master toilet and bath, which is more spacious than the others. We have our sink right here, toilet, and a spacious enclosed shower with heater, rainfall shower head. Tapos may window pa tayo dyan for natural light and ventilation. So, napakaganda. Okay, now, let's do the recap.
This property has a lot area of 156 square meters, floor area of 225 square meters, 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, living, dining, and kitchen, CCTVs, furnished with 1 carport, priced at 18.8 million pesos. Contact us for viewing.
Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.